For the most part, kids will be happy sleeping on anything and anywhere, just not when you tell them to. Never that. It's us as parents who care about the quality of the mattress and the quality of their sleep. The dilemma most parents face is finding a quality mattress that won't break the bank and won't need to be replaced every few years or so. God knows we have enough of those products already. That's why we've tested over 300 mattresses to date in order to find the absolute best mattresses for kids. Real quick, we've got a quick explainer ahead on how we selected the mattresses on this list. If you'd rather jump straight to the mattress picks, please click ahead to the next chapter heading or jump to the time code on screen. If you're new to the channel, we have a proprietary testing system that provides every mattress we review with a numerical performance score. When selecting the mattress for kids, we're looking at a combination of overall scoring performance, firmness, price, and US availability. Beyond performance, all of the mattresses considered for kids needed to have the following. 1. Be priced under $1,000 for a queen. 2. Have a firmness between 5 to 7 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This firmness range is an ideal range for children, kids, teens, and adults alike. 3. Be available for purchase within the USA. Our tests analyze performance across 8 critical factors. Our tests include objective and quantifiable data whenever possible. In addition, we use subjective assessment supported by data to round out our testing process. Our battery of tests allows us to create more objective, comparable, and easy to understand scoring. Our scores provide the essential framework for selecting the winners of our best of list. If you're interested to learn more about how we test, score, and how we choose winners, I've included links in the description. Without further ado, here is our list for the best mattresses for kids. If you're not sure about these options, consider checking out our mattress comparison tool at naplab.com that will let you filter mattresses by price, firmness, and other specific performance criteria. Or you can take our mattress quiz to get a personalized recommendation. With that said, let's go ahead and dive into each kid's mattress pick to see which is the best choice for you. Starting with our #1 overall pick, it's the Brooklyn Bedding CopperFlex Pro Hybrid. The BB CopperFlex Pro Hybrid is a 14.5-inch thick hybrid that contains a quilted, cooling cover, copper-infused memory foam, traditional memory foam, and a pocketed coil base. It can be a bit substantial for young kids, but will be a great choice for older kids. This mattress comes in a single firmness, 6 out of 10, which gives it a medium firm feel. The CopperFlex Pro Hybrid has moderate sinkage and low levels of bounce. It has a modern memory foam feel in terms of fast material response and a more balanced hug around the body compared to traditional memory foam. In our performance test, the CopperFlex Pro Hybrid had an overall score of 9.06. This ranks in the top 16% among all mattresses tested to date. It's a great example of high-value hybrid, perfect for growing sleepers. A queen CopperFlex Pro is $999, which is 36% less expensive than the average memory foam hybrid. If you're just looking for a twin mattress, that price drops to around $650. Considering the 14.5-inch thick profile and great performance, the CopperFlex Pro Hybrid is a hard mattress to beat. Moving on, we have our second best kids mattress pick with the Leesa Original. The Leesa Original is a 10-inch foam mattress made of polyfoam, memory foam, and support foam. It has a simple design that serves the need of many young sleepers, regardless of sleeping position. The mattress comes in a single firmness, 6 out of 10, which gives the mattress a medium firm feel. It has moderate sinkage and low levels of bounce. This restrained feel can be a good choice for sleepers who move around a lot during the night. In our test, it generated 76% less motion transfer than average. Overall, the Leesa Original earned a score of 9.01, ranking the mattress within the top 18% among all mattresses tested to date. With a price tag of $929, the Leesa Original costs 33% less than the average mattress we've tested. And if your child only needs a twin size, that cost drops even lower to $609, making it a fantastic value. And now our third pick with the Glacier Original. The Glacier Original is another high-quality hybrid. The mattress has a quilted cover, gel memory foam comfort layer, transitional polyfoam, and a pocketed coil base. It's available in one firmness level, 6 out of 10, which gives the mattress a medium firm feel. The mattress has a moderate sinkage and low levels of bounce, much like the CopperFlex Pro and Leesa Original. In our performance test, the Glacier Original earned an overall score of 8.95. This puts the mattress in the top 22%, comparing 300+ mattresses tested to date. But the real value of the Glacier Original comes when we check the price tag, only $799 for a queen. This is 43% less expensive than the average. And if you're looking for a twin-size mattress, the price is only $499. For under $500 for a twin, the Glacier is the best mattress we've tested. Next up, we have our number 4 pick, the Helix Midnight. The Helix Midnight is a 12-inch hybrid mattress with a thin cover, memory foam comfort layer, transitional polyfoam layer, and a pocketed coil base. For extra hot sleepers, you can upgrade to the optional cooling cover. The mattress is available in a single firmness, 6 out of 10, which gives the mattress a medium firm feel. The Midnight is promoted as Helix's most popular model, and we found it's well suited to all body types and sleeping positions. It has minimal sinkage and moderate levels of bounce. For back and stomach sleepers especially, this sinkage level can be beneficial. It's also nice for sleepers who are worried about sinking too far in or feeling stuck in the mattress. In our performance test, the Midnight scored an 8.93, ranking it in the top 24% among all mattresses tested. This is a solid score and represents another standout value hybrid. They offer Luxe and Elite versions of the Midnight that include more and more comfort material and extra features, but most of those are going to be unnecessary and just over the top for child sleepers. A queen mattress is $1099, still 20% less expensive than the average mattress. And if you're only looking for a twin mattress, that drops to $699. The mattress is a great pick for growing kids and is high quality enough to last for many years. Next, we have our 5th pick for the best kids mattress, the Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion Hybrid. The LMF Luxerion Hybrid is the first latex mattress to be featured on our list. It has an organic cotton cover, latex comfort layer, and pocketed coil base. It's available in a single firmness, 6 out of 10, which gives it a medium firm feel. This mattress has moderate sinkage and bounce, but being latex, it's got a drastically different feel compared to the other mattresses we've featured so far. Latex is a more polarizing feel and has more of a generalized body contouring hug. Sleepers aren't going to get that exacting contour that is common with memory foam mattresses. In our performance test, the Luxerion Hybrid earned an 8.89 overall. This ranks the mattress in the top 27%, comparing all mattresses tested to date. The Luxerion Hybrid is $1,079 for a queen and just $670 for a twin. This is 22% less expensive than the average. Exclusively looking at latex hybrids, this mattress is 29% cheaper, making it a standout value in the category. If you prioritize natural and/or organic materials, the Luxerion is an especially good choice. Moving along, we have number 6 with the Novosbed. Novosbed is an 11-inch memory foam mattress with a thin tensile cover, memory foam comfort layer, and support foam base. It has a traditional memory foam feel with balanced cores across the board. This mattress comes in 3 firmness levels: soft, medium firm, and firm. Most children will find the medium firm is the appropriate choice. In our test, the Novosbed has minimal sinkage and low levels of bounce. This dynamic is great for kids because it has the benefits of motion absorbing memory foam, but without the deep contour, which can oftentimes be too much for children. The Novosbed earned an overall score of 8.87, which ranks the mattress in the top 28% among all mattresses tested to date. A queen mattress costs $999, and a twin mattress drops to $799. This is 27% less expensive than the average mattress price, making the Novosbed an incredible value. Next up, in the number 7 slot, we have the Zoma Hybrid. The Zoma Hybrid is a 12-inch hybrid mattress with a thin cover, gel memory foam comfort layer, and pocketed coil base. It has a very simple design, but is also a solid performer for younger sleepers. The mattress is available in a single firmness, 5 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. This gives the mattress a medium feel. It has deep sinkage and moderate levels of bounce. The deeper sinkage makes it a good choice for side sleepers, especially in older children and teens. In our performance test, the Zoma Hybrid scored an overall score of 8.81. This performance puts the Zoma Hybrid in the top 33% among all mattresses tested to date. A queen mattress costs $974, and a twin mattress is $711, making the Zoma 30% less expensive than the average. If you're looking for a hybrid mattress with a deeper sinkage and a slightly softer feel than almost everything else on this list, the Zoma Hybrid is a solid pick. Moving along, our number 8 pick is the Silk & Snow Hybrid. The Silk & Snow Hybrid is an 11.5-inch hybrid with a plush quilted cover, polyfoam comfort layer, and pocketed coil base. A reinforced foam runs around the perimeter of this hybrid, giving it great edge support. It's available in a single firmness, 6 out of 10, which gives the mattress a medium firm feel. The Silk & Snow has deep sinkage and high levels of bounce. This is actually the first hybrid on our best mattress for kids list to offer bounce at this high of a level. It has 10% more bounce than average. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 8.78, ranking it in the top 36% among all mattresses tested to date. The real benefit of the Silk & Snow is the value. The mattress only costs $700 for a queen and only $500 for a twin. For the support of a hybrid with a significantly lower than average price, the Silk & Snow Hybrid is the mattress to beat. Our last pick for the best mattress for kids is also the most affordable affordable. It's the Siena. The Siena is a 10-inch budget-friendly mattress made of memory foam, polyfoam, and support foam. It comes in a single firmness, medium firm feel, which puts it at a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, where 10 is the most firm. The blended foam types gives this mattress a balanced feel with deep sinkage and low levels of bounce. In our performance test, Siena scored an 8.54 overall, which ranks it within the bottom 43% among all mattresses tested to date. While the performance isn't that impressive on its own, the biggest advantage of the Siena over other mattresses we've tested is the exceptional value. The Siena is priced at just $399 for a queen, and a twin is only $199, making it the lowest price mattress on this list. If you're on a tight budget and just need to keep the price point as low as possible, the Siena is the correct choice. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope it been helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying any of the mattresses that we featured in today's video, we've got links in the description. For more from NapLab, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at naplab.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.